So yeah, this is what the outside is looking right now. We doing this side, and the siding will be done hopefully next week. And I plan on having this downstairs unit on the market this week. And then I plan on having the upstairs unit hopefully next week. That'll be on the market. And then we can take some good pictures of the outside and then be able to put that on the market. So this is my first time doing this, so I'm still learning, and I'm taking y'all along with me so we can learn together, man. So if y'all decided that y'all want to invest in real estate, which I highly suggest, we'll encourage other people to do it too, man. So, you know, if you haven't already, like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think of this video. Comment below. Hey, man, let's get to the bag. All right, man, we back, and welcome to my 3-family apartment. You know, I'm very content with the way this one came out. I came a couple weeks ago, took some pictures. I really didn't like the pictures because the place just was not up to par. So I hired a cleaning crew. They came in today, cleaned it. They did a pretty decent job. I'm happy with the outcome. I had to, you know, but that's just me. You know, I ain't even gonna front. I had to go over a few things. So. But it was all right. For the most part, they did the bulk of everything because the people that was in here, they was only here for 3 months. And I mean, when I tell you they did, it was bad. Like it was bad. So I'm just happy that it's a lot better than what it was. I'm happy that it was clean. So I'm just gonna take y'all and give y'all a little tour so you can kind of see. I'm still taking care of the kitchen. I had some stuff in there that needs to be taken out that was in the cabinets that I told them to take out and put it in garbage bags, but they didn't. So I ended up taking it out, cleaning it up, and you know what I mean? It is what it is at the end of the day. So yeah, this was disgusting. So I'm happy that this is looking a lot better. This was disgusting. So I came in, cleaned that up. Refrigerator was looking horrible. So, you know, we got that right now. So this is looking great, man. So excited about how it's coming out. Yeah, I picked everything out. I like the countertop. I need to do some scrubbing on it because it has these stains that I want to get out before the tenant move in. So if anybody got any ideas how to get rid of this, leave it in the comments, man. So, you know, I really like how this wall came out. This is one of, yeah, I definitely like that. So, and yeah, man. So, this is the 1-bedroom here. All right, and then I have, so this is 3 bedrooms, 1 bath in this unit. So, as you can see, yeah, man. Right, the bedrooms are pretty good. They're pretty decent size, nothing too crazy. Right, so yeah, so it's a closet right here. All right, decent sized closet, you know, decent size. You know what I mean? We getting to it, man. We getting to it. So, and then we have the bathroom. All right, come on. Oh, that's a little brighter in here, you know what I mean? You just throw the ND on. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So yeah, man, she looking good. All right, so that's the bathroom. Nice and clean. Yeah, man, perfect. So yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? We here, we getting it right. I like this. I like how I did this. This was something that I put it in AI, and I like what AI did with it. Let me throw some ND back over here, man. There we go. That looks so. Yeah, so I like this wall. You know, I like how it contrasts with the rest of the house. It just gives it a certain look with the baseboards. You know, we could have did a, you know, I ain't going, you know, but listen, man, it's coming out better than what it was, man. You know what I'm saying? We had some tenants in that just did not take care of the property the way I would have liked them to, but, you know, listen, man, it's all a part of real estate, man. It's all a part of the journey. It's a part of growing. It's a part of just getting it right. And the main thing is once this property is done, once the property is just, you know, when it's done, man. When it's done. But look, I got to take y'all upstairs right quick before it's time for me to spin off. But I just wanted to share a little bit of this journey with y'all in cinematic form because I am a filmmaker, you dig? So yeah, man, unit 2. So this one, I went with a different color scheme. You know what I mean? So instead of the gray floors, I went with the tan floors, still using the same black textured wall. I think that just gives it a nice contrast. Pop, this is where your TV would go. I think just in contrast from downstairs to here, this is gonna be one of my favorite units because I was able to design this one along with AI. So I would take pictures of the unit and AI would then, I would tell it what I want. It would throw out some ideas. Then I would take pictures and then it would show me what it would look like if I did that already. So I was able to see this done before it was done. And that is one of the things that I'm enjoying about AI right now is that I can see it before it's even done so I can make the proper decisions before they do it. You know what I'm saying? So I think that's one of the main things is just being able to see it before it's done. And the more I do this, I feel like the more I'll be a little bit more conscious of things and then I'll develop my own style. So when you see an apartment like this, you'll be like, oh, okay. Like, it's just like when you see Lennar's, you know it's a Lennar apartment or a Lennar townhome or house or, you know what I mean? Any one of these builders, they have a specific style that you walk into. So, and that's what I'm just trying to do right now is just develop my style for the design of inside these homes. And you know what I mean? I think the design is important because I want it to look, I want people to come in and see them like, damn, I want to live here. You know, I don't want them to come in and see it's like, all right, this is just cookie cutter. It looks like every other house on the block. So I do want it to be a little bit different. So just to give you a little tour of what we're doing so far. So this is where the laundry room is gonna go. So this is the laundry room. So as you can see, you can open this up. You know, it was in the kitchen, so I didn't like it seeing in the kitchen. I think kitchen is almost done. So yeah, I just wanted it to look like it belonged. I didn't want it to look like just somebody just threw washer and dryer in it and it just didn't look right. So that's one thing that we're doing. So the rooms up here are all the same, but I did do something a little different. So this is not done yet, but it's almost there. So I went with a different scheme, as you can see, and different flooring. Everything is still the same except for, and I like this better than downstairs. And the beauty, again, I took a picture of this bathroom and I just put it in AI and let it come up with whatever it felt as though was gonna be good. So yeah. So, hold up. So the main thing is AI helps out a lot with these things because you can see them before they take place. So you can take a picture, put it in ChatGPT. Chat will then spit out an image for you. And then you can be like, all right, I like it or I don't like it. And I think that's always a plus when you can do something like that. So yeah, man, brief little tour of the Ford family. We're still working on this unit here. So it'll be done soon. And then when it is done, you know, stay tuned. You feel me? And I just gotta thank my guy, Bobby, my general contractor for, you know what I mean, getting the team out there to get it done. They got it done. And they got it done quick for me. You know what I mean? So he's been doing all the legwork. He's been getting it situated. So it's great. I'm grateful and thankful to have the team around me to be able to even do the things that I'm doing, man. So, God bless. Thank you. Listen, let's get to the bag, people. It's 2026, man. The world ain't getting no easier, so let's get to it.